Huh?
Wait a minute. You've seen the Super Bark.
Have you been observing me?
Oh, yeah. I watch you all the time.
That's incredible.
Oh, it's not really.
But I'm always so vigilant. No one can evade my detection. You're a phantom.
If you say so.
Okay, check it out. What?
Take a gander at this bold action. Scary, huh? It's like we're twins.
Yeah. Scary.
So, where's Penny?
She was kidnapped by the green-eyed man.
This is terrible. She could be in crazy.
Grave danger, I know. But I've captured this cat.
Agent of the green-eyed man, I presume?
Oh, you presume correctly. She's taking me to Penny.
You are vile vermin. How did you sleep at night? Penny's the most wonderful person ever. And she loves Bob. And he's awesome. And you're a monster. How dare you disrupt their relationship with your evil? Die! Die! I can take your pony. Let me out of Die!
Easy, Rhino. Easy.
You're right. We need her alive.
We?
Yes. Bolt, I could be a valuable addition to your team.
I'm listening.
I'm lightning quick. I have razor-sharp reflexes. And I'm a master of stealth. Thus, I'll keep the cat in check.